This is the guy at Georgia Outdoors. We're dealing with hogs on the farm. We've been dealing with them for years, and they showed up last night. We just can't seem to hunt them with the gun, but we're gonna get a trap. And if you watch the channel, we've hunted with our used traps that are really expensive. But man, these things cost thousands of dollars. That's just way too much money for me to spend on my budget. So today we're gonna be building an old trap, something that was once a hog trap, kind of decommissioned, and we're gonna use some stuff we have around the farm, repair this trap, get it set up, and see if we can catch some of these pigs that have been tearing up our deer stands and all that. But right now, we're gonna go over here and see if we can remodel this old trap and turn it into something new that can actually catch a hog. See if my dad still has it in him. This is our foundation right here we're gonna be working with. At one point, it was a trap of some sorts. It doesn't have a back on it, as you can tell. And it's in pretty rough condition, but you have where your gate drops right there, goes down to the bottom. And this style of trap, you have to run a string from there, and you kind of put a peg in the ground with some corn around it. And when the hog roots the peg up, the string pulls up, the gate falls down, and they're trapped in there. We go over there and we cook them for dinner. So that's the plans, but we got some work to do on this trap. So bear with us. This is called a budget hog trap. Save the thousands of dollars, build you something. You can actually build something like that out of hog panels. There's numerous ways to build something like this, so enjoy the ride. All right, we're over here at ground zero where all the hog damage has been, and man, if you look around, they're here like crazy every night. But we got the trap set up. We put these T-posts on the outside, and we're working on leveling it up, attaching them to the T-post, and then we're gonna work with our peg system on holding that gate open, and that way it'll trap on them. But right now we're just sewing it up real good. Dad's wired up enough miles of fences in his days, and we got Uriah. He's here for just his back. We don't use him for his brain. He doesn't have a whole lot up there yet, but he's got some strength, so we're getting this thing in place. All right, we have brought in the specialist to set this thing as a hair
Lord,
trap.
no. You
well, that was in his defense. He didn't even
I didn't try to. We were just setting it in there.
It was just a hold.
I mean, this thing needs to be so fine that if you think about bumping it, it falls.
It'll fall. Okay, so a hog comes in. He's just moseying around. And I think that'll be it. Some people leave the trap open for a few days locked in the open position to see if these hogs get comfortable with it. We're not doing that. We're going straight for the win. We're gonna go ahead and get this thing hair, put some corn in here, and there may be a hog in here before dark. There's already a sow in there right now. Got him.
A cut one.
A cut boar. Little cut boar's in there right now.
If you touch that thing, it's gonna fall. Get your hands off.
You're like Uriah, even though I was holding it and even though it couldn't come off, he dove through that thing.
Like a guillotine?
Yeah. Don't go too crazy because they'll feed all night out here and won't even go in.
That's right.
That good?
Yeah, it's good. Now ease on in there.
Just stay on your knees, man. He's gonna bump that road. There's zero chance he doesn't trigger it.
Okay, all behind, that's right. Okay. I want you just to pick one. Go in there as long as it'll let you go.
Oh, Uriah got his holster.
We're gonna pick one, loaded up. I want you to shoot it, okay?
And his Daisy Dukes. See that black one in the back.
All right.
I still got it.
All right, go. Shoulder. Hit him in the shoulder.
He got him in the neck. Right in the neck shoulder, I see it
Yeah, I
bleeding.
see it.
There we go. Now, get him another one. It's automatic, Elias. You don't have to reload it. Give him another one.
They're not big harbor boys, but
Somebody hold this.
It'll hold it up. Just keep pushing it up. Oh.
they're solid 100 pounds a piece or better.
Yep.
Put them in the way. You take pictures. Did he jump?
Oh yeah.
No, it didn't.
Oh, boar hog too.
Y'all are buttholes. Y'all are buttholes. Y'all know that?
Oh.
You get in there and get him.
You get him now. He's fine.
Come on now. You
Get him.
You the one that double loaded automatic
I
rifle.
know.
Gun.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh.
You in the talks with
Oh,
Drew now.
reload.
He's in the talks with Drew now, ain't he?
Mm-hmm.
He ain't gonna turn around. Oh, he ain't gonna turn around and get
He's
you.
done, buddy. He's dead. He
Hold this
can't.
thing up.
Come on.
Come on, buddy. You got it.
I don't think they'll break that.
Huh?
I don't think. Grab it. Go with it.
No, it's just nerves.
All right, we just got back to the house and we shot some hogs in the trap. We set that trap out, what, over a month ago, wasn't it, Pops?
Yeah.
We set that trap out over a month ago and the hogs were a little hesitant, but if you keep baiting it up, they're gonna come in eventually. And we got 3 nice boars. They both shot them a hog, and the girls, they were just there for looks. My girl's wearing skirts out here while we're supposed to be shooting hogs.
Hi.
What?
You want to go home and see her with Nana too?
Apparently.
We are 5 months in the making here. My boys came up about 5 months ago. We killed this hog. We cleaned it, put it in the refrigerator, freezer, whatever, and it has been holding since then. So what we did is we put a mustard binder on it, front and back. We butterflied it, put it down in there, okay? We got Boyd's butt rub right there. Now, the rule was whenever we come here and was cooking it, we kept it about 300, 275, 300 for 6 hours. 3 hours on the front and 3 hours on the back, okay? So what we did is every time we opened it, we have a special concoction that we do, vinegar, where you have to saturate it. Every time you open this bad boy, you saturate it, okay? So let me show you what we got going on. There it is, right here. Now, as you can tell, I don't know, the squirrels might have got in there. I don't know. We've been already testing it a little bit on the ham here. So Daddy is going to test it. My boy is going to look at that. Look how beautiful that is. All right, I'm going to cut one right here. I'm just going to test it. Taste test. Woo-hoo! Son, you can't. I'm telling you right now, you can't beat that with a stick. Take a look at that bad boy. That's what they say about country boys can survive. Wild hog, we cook it after we hunt tonight. And by the way, we're up here for our boys' weekend trip. Our last weekend trip of hunting. We're gonna enjoy this bad boy tonight.